Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another YouTube video. I'm Nikal. Today is Sunday, and I said that I'm just going to give you guys a little yard tour. I'm going to give you a tour of my yard. Just to, give you an idea of the type of fruit trees and the type of plants that I have currently growing. You know, I am residing in the Old Arbors area in St. Catherine. And as you can hear, it's very windy. Actually live close to the ocean. Not so close, but close proximity to that we can experience the ocean breeze, the sea breeze coming off the south coast. So as you can see, this is my coconut tree, and this coconut tree is bearing, just to give you an idea of how tall it is. It's around 6 feet tall. It is bearing for around 2-3 years now, and I must say that it really have on some nice fruits, see it looking really good. And right here is my compost pile. Just take everything that you have, every waste that you have in the kitchen, and you can make your own compost. See there. And what I did was to just get the grass. When I cut the lawn, I just use the grass to add to the compost as well for the green, because the compost must have brown and green. Here I have a little pot where I sow some tomatoes and some peppers, transplant some of them already. So I have some sweet pepper here, and these sweet pepper are bearing like crazy. I mean, the amount of sweet pepper I get from these couple plants is it's not funny. Now they're at the end of their cycle, so that's why you see them looking like this. But nevertheless, the fruits are small, no, but very flavorful, very nice, and you have to be proud because I mean grow it, or you grow it. You see it. Not no beat when you have your garden and you grow your own stuff. I have these 2 mango trees here, seedlings growing, because I'm going to graft them. So these are actually stringy mango seed that I planted. And if you want to grow your own mango, you can do this as well. All you need to do is just plant 2 seeds. And if you want me to show you a video of how to plant the seeds, because it's a technique that you have to use to plant the seeds, you just don't get up and plant them like that. You can just comment that you need to see that video. So I plant these 2 seeds, and you can see the seedlings are growing, and actually have 2 mango seedling growing from only 1 seed. And this is because the mango is called polyembryonic, so they have more than 1 embryo. So sometimes you will see 2, 3, even though it's just 1 seed that you plant. As you can see, 2 seedlings, 1 seed, because as I said, mango is polyembryonic, have more than 1 embryo. So if you want to see a video on growing your own mango seedling to graft later on, because in another 3 months or so, 3 to 4 months, I can graft these. Alright, and I'm going to show you my East Indian mango that I'm going to graft onto these. I also have a few sugarcane right here. This is the first time it's actually bearing. So it recently planted. They're around 6 months old. Let me just pan out so you can see it good. So you can see them. I have 2 bananas as well. This banana is what they call Lakatan. Right, nice eating banana, and you can ripe meat as well. This one is what they call honey banana. It's very sweet, and I did a video some time ago on these banana when I was planting them. I think around 8 months ago. So these are around 8 months old now, and they are actually ready to shoot. See it? It's very tall, but this is because my backyard is a bit crowded, so they are growing towards the light, as it's not normally grow this tall. So this is the Lakatan right there, and this is the honey banana, and I have 2 of them. So I have a little one right there, so and this bigger one. I also have a few tomatoes that I saw you, the tomato that I planted, one right there. A few cucumber over there, so tomato, one tomato tree there, one other one there. And the tomato is not really a tree, it's a vine, but you know we talk. And they're actually bearing, you know. These are actually bearing. See a little tomato there, one little one there, so. And these were planted in pots, and I just transplanted them since week out in the ground because they weren't doing so well in the pots. So they are doing much better now. That's a small one right there. See another cucumber right there. Of a pineapple. This is the avocado that I planted some time ago, around 6 months ago. And this is a grafted Simmons variety. Looking really, really good. Have a cherry. Mr. Foster gave me this cherry. Big up yourself, Mr. Foster. Cherry plant. And this cherry was planted using or propagated using the circumposing or ear layering method. So just to give you a shot of the garden from this direction. So the banana them, coconut over there. The garden don't really have a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetables because the time is very dry, and you see I have to be mulching it. Right? I have to be mulching. It's very, very dry. So I don't really have a lot of leafy vegetable now. But nevertheless, still have a few peppers, you know, a few tomatoes. You know, those things where, you know, basic things where you use in your kitchen. Alright, so up here so now is my little tea garden. What me I have to plant this pomegranate. Mr. Foster give me this pomegranate again. And I have one pepper, right? One sweet pepper there, so I have a pineapple again. And the reason why you may be wondering I planted so many pineapples is because the place is very dry. And pineapple love the dry weather. Do very well in the dry weather, so that's why I'm planting so many pineapples. We have mint, a little mint plant. And right here, so now I have my rosemary, a little piece of ginger. But I have a little piece of ginger plant, but it's not doing so well. So what I'm going to do is to plant them in pots because I realize it's not doing well in the ground. I have lemongrass, aka fever grass, right there. So Cinco Bible or Aloe Vera. I have my sweet sap tree there. I'm going to show you the East Indian mango tree now. See me? Good old East Indian them. See them there? Tree not going with nothing much this year, but you have to give thanks. One tree does it. So we have mango there. Soon start ripe. Mango up in a tree there. Yeah, man. So this are the East Indian tree, still young. See there? Not that big yet. Just span out and show you. See now? And guys, I just think I should, you know, show you guys what I use these for. These are some little drinks bottle I just cut into, and I punch a few holes in it and put this over it like that, and it creates a little greenhouse effect over the plant, right? And as soon as the plant is fully established, if the root system is fully established, then I just remove it, and that is what prevents my seedlings from drying out, right? So that is what I use these for, just a little greenhouse over my plants, because as I said, down here is very hot. So just to create a little microclimate around the plant so that the plant don't dry out. That's why I use these. So, and these are very, 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 very cheap, you know. This is a good way of reusing plastic, you know. So you use a plastic drink container and you can get a bigger one. So you can use those 1 gallon bottle and just put it right over it, and it can stay in there for quite some time until the plant is fully developed and fully established, and then you remove it. And I'll go up on the front now and show you the grass. I see the line, you know. Scalp the line out there. So that's why I see it like this. Okay. Scalp it and cut it down all the way down. So I'm telling you, I promise you, I'm going to update you. This is really an update of the lawn. I don't want to worry too much because the grass is growing back pretty much fast. You can look clearly, you can see the green coming through. You can see the bits of green coming through. So, in another week or so, we'll have the grass looking green again. Even over here, you can see the green coming through. As I said, I scalp it because this land was recently established, and I allow it to grow very high just to develop that rigorous root system before I actually cut it. So if you have your Zoysia grass and you allow it to grow too high, then then it's going to develop some thatch, and that is what happens when you cut it back. You can actually see the thatch layer that gives you that brown look. So that's why it's not green. But Zoysia grass, it establishes stowlands underground that store food, and that is what it's going to use to replenish it and to re-establish itself. So not to worry if you cut your Zoysia grass and you'll see it looking like this. Don't worry, nothing is wrong with the grass. All you have to do is just water it and it will come right back. So this is an update, and as I said, I'm going to give you another update after another week just to show you the progress of the lawn and how it is doing. Over there now I have some pineapple. So the pineapple edging, a few of them died. One from right there and one from down in the corner, but I go on good. So them growing up nice, getting very broad. So maybe by next year they will bear. Next year them time they will start fruit. So this is the pineapple edging. This one here is a different variety from those. I also have some other plants over here. Some desert rose, some crown of thorn, and this side now, this is a star food plant. So what's up? More pineapple. Plantain. June plum. A June plum. And over here now is an ex-plantain. And we have some hot pepper right here. So tree not doing so well, but productive nevertheless. Productive. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming on this tour with me, my backyard. Hope you like, share and subscribe to the channel Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. For Home and Garden Fix and Tricks, I'm Nikal. Peace.